Want to add caption to your video without manually typing every line? You can automatically generate them and customize their appearance in just a few steps. First, open Caption Bolt in your browser, then simply sign up to the Caption Bolt website. After this, click on Login. Upload the video you want to add the caption to. Once your video is uploaded, you can see the file details from here, including its duration, resolution, and aspect ratio. In spoken language, you can either leave it to auto-detect or you can select the language used in your video. Like I'm selecting English. Now click on Create Video. Caption Bolt will start processing your video. It will first prepare the media, then transcribe speech using AI, and finally generate the caption. This may take a little time depending on the length of your video. Once processing is complete, you will be taken to the video editing screen. Here you can see video preview along with the automated generated caption. You can play the video to make sure the caption matches the spoken audio. To change the appearance of the caption, select the caption from the right side. Simply click on it and you can change it. Then click on play and you can see the preview. You can also customize the caption further. From here you can adjust options such as text appearance, alignment, outline, shadow, color, and other settings to match the style of your video. If you want to add extra text to your video, then simply open text editor. From here you can add the text if you find something is missing in the caption. Next we have resize option. You can resize the video as per the TikTok video style, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or either you can leave it in 16:9 ratio of YouTube video. Caption Bolt also include additional options such as B-roll, where you can automatically add relevant stock footage to different part of your video. Once you're happy with the caption and your overall video, then simply click on Export Video. And that's it. Your video is now ready and automatically generate caption. Hopefully you find this video helpful. See you in the next video.